Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi there, is this seat free?
Hi, yes, it's free. Please have a seat.
Thanks, my name is Erin. I'm new to this neighborhood and still learning the bus schedule.
Nice to meet you, Aaron. I'm Kyle. I've lived here for a couple of years now. Are you waiting for the bus too?
Yes, I am. I'm waiting for the number 5 bus. It should come in about 10 minutes, I think. How about you?
I'm waiting for the same bus. It goes to the city center, right?
That's right. I need to go to work in the city center. I hope the bus isn't too crowded today.
It usually isn't too busy on weekday mornings. The weather is nice too, which makes waiting more pleasant.
I agree. The sun is shining, and there's a gentle breeze. It's a perfect day to be outdoors, even if we have to wait a little.
Absolutely. I like to enjoy the weather while I wait. Sometimes I listen to my favorite music or read a little on my phone.
That's a good idea. I usually read the news on my phone. It helps pass the time. By the way, have you tried the new coffee shop nearby?
Yes, I have. It's just a couple of blocks from here. They make excellent espresso and have a cozy atmosphere. I often stop there before catching the bus.
I've heard good things about it. Maybe after the bus, I'll check it out. I love trying new cafes.
You should. Their lattes are amazing and perfect for a sunny morning like today.
So, Kyle, what do you do for work?
I work at a small design studio in the city center. I'm a graphic designer. What about you?
I'm a marketing assistant at a local company. I help with social media and organize events.
That sounds interesting. I bet your job is very creative.
Yes, it is. I really enjoy creating content and working with my team. Sometimes I feel very inspired by new ideas.
I understand. In design, every project is a chance to be creative. I often work on logos and advertisements. It is fun, even if it can be challenging at times.
Speaking of challenges, have you ever found waiting for the bus boring?
Sometimes, yes. When I'm tired or there's a long wait, I feel a little bored. But I try to use that time to plan my day or listen to a podcast.
That's smart. I sometimes write short notes or ideas in my notebook during these moments. It helps me stay productive.
That's a good habit. I like to jot down my thoughts too. Sometimes I come up with a new idea for a design or a social media post while waiting.
It's nice that we can use this time to be creative rather than just feeling impatient.
Exactly. And sometimes, chatting with a friendly stranger like you makes the wait enjoyable.
I feel the same. I enjoy talking with new people. It's a great way to learn about the community and share experiences.
Yes, each conversation opens up a new perspective. For example, I recently learned about a local art exhibition from someone I met at this bus stop.
That sounds fun. I also like local events, especially cultural festivals. I enjoy the food, the music, and meeting people from different backgrounds.
Me too. Last month, I went to a food festival. I tried many different dishes and learned about new flavors. It was a great experience.
Food festivals are the best. I remember trying a dish from a new restaurant in town that I had never heard of before. It was delicious and affordable.
Speaking of affordable, I try to keep an eye on my budget when I'm out. I like to know the prices of things like tickets for events or meals at restaurants.
That's important. I usually check reviews online before I visit a new place. It helps me decide if it's worth the money.
Absolutely. And if you ever need recommendations, I can share some places I like.
That would be great, thanks. I'm still exploring the neighborhood, so any tips are welcome.
No problem. I also enjoy discovering new places. Sometimes I walk around during the weekend and find a nice park or a small cafe that I never knew existed.
Walking is one of my favorite activities too. I like to explore on foot. It's a good way to relax and see little details of the city.
Exactly. And sometimes, while waiting for the bus, I notice interesting things like street art or small shops. It makes the wait more interesting.
Yes, the city is full of surprises if you take the time to look around.
How long have you been living in this city, Aaron?
I moved here about 2 months ago. I'm still getting used to the bus routes and the area.
Welcome again. It takes time, but soon you will know all the best spots.
Thank you, Kyle. I appreciate your friendly advice.
You're welcome. It's always nice to help someone new. Do you have any hobbies that you like to do while you wait?
I enjoy reading and sometimes sketching. I always carry a small notebook with me. It helps me relax. What about you?
I like listening to music and occasionally writing short poems. Sometimes the quiet moments at the bus stop give me time to think.
That's lovely. I think these small moments can be very productive.
Yes, and they make waiting less frustrating. Instead of just waiting, you are doing something you love.
Exactly. I believe that every moment can be useful if you plan it well.
Do you think the bus stop is a good place to meet people?
Sometimes, yes. I often see people talking and sharing stories while waiting. It makes me feel more connected to the community.
I agree. I like when people smile and greet each other. It creates a friendly atmosphere.
The bus stop is a small part of the day, but it can be very pleasant if you have a positive attitude.
Absolutely. By the way, the bus should be coming soon. I can see it in the distance.
Yes, I see it too. I'm glad we had this chat. It made the wait much more enjoyable.
I feel the same, Aaron. Talking with you has brightened my day. I hope we can chat again while waiting, or even after we get off the bus.
I would love that. Let's exchange numbers so we can continue our conversation another time.
Great idea. Here's my phone number. You can text me anytime.
Thanks, Kyle. I'll save your number. I look forward to hearing from you.
Me too, Aaron. Now, let's get ready to board the bus. I wish you a great day and happy travels.
Thank you, Kyle. Have a wonderful day as well. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Aaron.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.